The grand opening of the 4-star Amora Beach Resort on the island of Phuket in Thailand has taken place. The hotel is located on Bang Tao Beach, and many have been waiting for this opening. Let's see together what happened in the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Every week, we bring you the latest on hotels and resorts around the world to make it easier for you to plan your dream vacation. Amora Beach Resort Hotel. Finally, we have waited for the hotel to open after a major renovation. All the time while the whole world was in quarantine, they were remodeling the territory, buildings and pools. 2 new buildings were built and a major renovation was done in the lobby. The result is impressive. The hotel is now unrecognizable. The hotel was originally built in 1999, but now it looks completely different. But let's take things in order. Deposit upon arrival of 5,000 baht, or the equivalent in another currency, such as dollars or euros. This is a quiet, cozy, beautiful hotel located on a white sandy beach. We recommend it more for family holidays with children. The hotel has 2 outdoor swimming pools with sun loungers and umbrellas, and towels are also provided. There are children's water activities and a chic coffee shop by the lobby. There is a Amora Beach Club, where sun loungers are available for an additional fee. Alcoholic and soft drinks are available. An a la carte restaurant, and music plays all day. The gym is open from early morning until 7 p.m. Amora Wellness Center is made in an unusual way. Part is under air conditioning and the other part is outdoors. Children too will find their oasis at the Amora Kids Club, a colorful space where they can enjoy a full calendar of activities. Both parents and children will be thoroughly engaged in a fun-packed program that builds up family bonding. Young guests will love the Amora Kids Club, which is divided into 3 zones. A play zone with slides with ball pen, a craft zone for young artists, and a TV zone with kids' entertainment programs. The club is packed full of toys, games, books, and activities for children from 3-10 years old. Youngsters will also be able to enjoy a fun-filled program of beach activities, sports-related classes, movies, and more, so parents can rest assured that their little ones are being kept fully engaged and entertained. The main restaurant Isla is open for breakfast in a buffet format and for lunch and dinner on an a la carte menu. The variety of dishes is quite large. There is always something to choose from. Pancakes, waffles, and omelets are prepared right in front of you, quickly and very tasty. Sufficient selection of fruits. For lunch and dinner, you can go to nearby restaurants and cafes, of which there are many along the beach. This is a hotel with direct access to Bang Tao Beach and is one of the best for families with children. Wide sandy coastline, smooth entry into the sea. There are no waves between November and March. From the hotel, there are sun loungers on the beach in the shade of trees. There is a rich infrastructure around: cafes, bars, restaurants, a top supermarket, pharmacies, souvenir shops, currency exchange offices. Smoking is prohibited on site. Violators will be fined. In total, the hotel has 14 residential buildings. These are 264 rooms in the following categories: superior garden view rooms after cosmetic renovation, located from the 1st to the 3rd floor. There is 1 large bed or 2 separate beds, and there is a folding bed for an additional fee. The bathroom has a full bath, and the balcony has views of the grounds and garden. Deluxe poolside rooms also after cosmetic renovation, and a little larger in size. They are located on the 1st floors. There is also either 1 large bed or 2 separate ones, and a folding single sofa is used as additional space. The bathroom has a full bathtub and shower, and from the terrace there is access to the pool, and there are also your own sun loungers. Amora Grand Pool View Rooms are in a new building, located on the 2nd and 3rd floors. The balcony has a view of the pool. Well, we wish you a good holiday and more pleasant impressions. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. We release reviews of new hotels every week.